Who they? Popcorn, how much?
Popcorn is 500.
For this one?
How many do you want?
This one 500.
Yes, sir.
Can I choke it?
Okay, no lose them if you no go pay.
Wait.
Okay, give me first. Give me what go here first. 500. Bring money, may you collect them. Let's say no dey this country. You don't know what's gonna happen. If you no go buy, I beg they go front. Ma they see front first. They go.
Ha. Material amount.
Which one?
Look at one day very.
Elen cake.
You want a gabardine?
Gabardine day. Say for you.
This one too good. And they find person something where I go use no cloth. Where I go use go my brother, Reverend Father Ordination.
This one fine now. This one be okay for me now.
For the show. You see this one do okay?
Very okay.
How many yards a day?
This is just 2 yards. Complete 2 yards.
You reach 2?
No.
How much?
Just 5,000 now.
For everything you have only this one.
Only this one 5,000 naira.
In everything. You read here 800.
Okay, give me my cloth too. Be like say you come provoke me this morning. I don't like what they do for here. If you no go buy, they go front.
What in there? They no go price again. Maybe market. You go tell me 5,000, I go give you 20,000. Are they still am?
Oga, if you no go buy, walk out come for my store.
I don't like why as soon young people how they take tell me. They use frustration open shop. You say a woman or mama open this place now. You come even if say price and take over. The mama go away to Obiote, Sagia asine. Or when I go buy got the million konime. I don't have forgo says. Now me say you don't make money too much. This is why they say here, you suppose they hear the seller.
Oga, this one on my business. I know they use my business play. If you no go buy, waka they go.
Give me phone, make I do call my picking because. You need a teacher guy, Tirium.
1 minute, 1,000 naira.
Try to talk to Obama.
If you no go make one, no one.
Okay, come now, 5 for here, can you, man? Bring phone first.
Now because if you old man, I mean they respect you. I will give you.
Pick up, Bob.
Yeah.
010 222 444 419 419.
419. 419.
Ya put para Syracuse. O putra. Hello, sir. Hello, Syracuse. I'm packing your father. Hello. I'm packing there. You know what? We're there. We're coming there. We're there. People. I'm packing there. Where you they go now? Where you they go? Okay, let me hear some. Now, somebody talk. I'm for family talk. Where I can get help. Allow me to go out and make a call. Now, family matter. I want to talk.
Family matter. You they carry my phone. They run.
Which one be your phone? Here, any more can answer. Hello. Hello. Syracuse.
Okay, I don't like what you do. Give me my phone, I beg. Give me my phone. What be all this one now?
This one come one. My picking why they follow talking. I never finish. You come out for my ear.
Let me hear you from start to the make the call. You won't carry my phone, run?
Now private talk. Now private. It's not an open.
Private talk. Don't talk for there.
Make you hear them. Don't watch on your tape. I want to take you for 5,000. Now maybe you can't hear my family conversation. Tomorrow give you a shame news. Tell them we go. Yam phone one. Yam not call one.
Oga. You be old man. Respect your age. Respect your age.
Go let me rock and go.
Tell me now, then you may go now.
Again.
What do you call now?
Which you call? Not be your voice, my picking in here. All this one where we talk, you carry your voice to put and take. My picking only your voice in here. You don't hear my own.
Oga.
Nobody come go.
Last morning, you don't. And I talk to you. You don't come price this clothes for here. They price them anyhow. Now you don't make call with my phone. You don't want to give me my money. Oga, give me my 1,000 naira fast. I don't want to repeat myself again. Let me go fast. Oga, if you don't give me my money for this place, the whole of this community, they go hear our voice. Give me my money.
Mommy, they're knocking for granted.
I know the joke. Give me my money.
You did not call for me.
Give me my money.
Money for what? I buy anything from you. Call from the you carry your own matter. Come full up. Only your voice my picking here. So tell you come call.
Last morning. I don't play with you.
You can come out home. Yeah, put on me, never come out home. ezigbo nni dị ha na-agbara randa fast mshi na randa back mgbafe randa front shi randa front mgbafe randa left where are you ke hello
Imo worldwide.
Oh, you recognize me? Oh, good. I'm not royal blue. Blue, everything blue. The world has gone digital. Who oughtn't have believed that Chineke can make one when you are a motor? Just look at but when my tati ikukundu kusage.
AC.
My brother,
I'm like the AC.
Oh, wow, to Mbia. Riego Gimberend. Because I've been looking around. Let me to see where I can eat. That's maybe a place I continental dish. Fast food or kind of eatery. A place whereby if I enter there, I will lavish my money, lavish myself, and also lavish everything lavishable.
Imo worldwide. No way kake na chebi.
Actually, I maybe them granga come home because I like the face of the food.
Say no more. Eba mpoga Ghana na where all these our people say bata and elimi.
Abroadians.
If food is place. Hey. I'm not coming down for today.
A new place,
if we re nearby.
What are we waiting for? Because can you give me address or you hop in?
Okay.
Direct me.
Bata,
can you? Bata, let me be good to you for once. Bata, hop in. World Bank Owerri, telephone Hanonga, every other thing. Do you think about Kemurudi Hanankwe? Bukwe and all.
Chief, crowd get too much in that.
Wow. Look up. You don't show me road.
Which one say make I can't go? You don't go buy food for me.
Huh? I'm not going to buy what
you don't go buy food for me.
No, I go buy casket to give you. I'm a that pump. I'm a go I buy food for you.
Okay, I left where I'm going. I have remember naga. They go sing about
I ask you only for road. Give my bruna. It will not talk to you. Only road to show me where they say food. Jam give rep. Oh, because I'm going to get the 5 person will go buy you food. Show me where they say food. At least get to Arabaka. Go like this or go like that. Because you get no work. If say you be young boy, where get work. Immediately I ask you that Pia, give me address and go your way. You didn't show me where you are going. This from the Anya.
So what? African Modica Mado. It is very stingy.
Because go.
African Modica Mado very stingy. No problem. I'm a mistake.
You were open handed. Now, I go buy food to give you because you do that is carrot. Bakuka. If say you get work, if you don't get time, follow me the work around. Then you want to manage push them AC. You know how much AC I brought for your head? AC, you don't show me road good. Anybody wait there for with enough. You come over with want to chop. This is the place. The aroma of the food itself don't they come out. It's a new place, new rice, new plate, everything new. He like a shinga on you. Each in the muso, a lot of this. Each in the muso, Mugazigagoni. It's just of no comparison. Bradford bịa na nye m n'ibi.